Yeah, I mean, obviously that's the key question everyone's asking. I mean, so he owns a quarter of the company, so I don't think he's going anywhere from that regard, and I can't see how he wouldn't be involved. I mean, I would hope that he would be able to settle, pay a fine, and stay at the helm of the company. I mean, clearly Tesla's synonymous with him. He is critical, not just from a marketing angle, but absolutely, I think, from an engineering standpoint and as the visionary driving the company. But it's the numbers that get me to a $430 price target. I mean, I expect that as Model 3 finally now is ramping in high volume, the numbers are going to start looking a lot better. I mean, I think this company flips from big losses and cash burn to profits and cash generation over the next several quarters, and that's a huge turn, and we're just getting there now.
I understand that you say the numbers get you to 430 and you're a fundamental analyst and you've got a model and you got to stick with it. At the same time, isn't there embedded in the stock any sort of Elon Musk premium that customers buy the cars in part because of Elon Musk, that Elon Musk is perhaps the greatest evangelist the company has under its roof? And if he's
Absolutely.
gone or diminished in some way, then something is taken away from the Tesla story.
You're right, and he absolutely is critical to the company, but I just don't see him going away, to your point. I mean, I can't see how he's not going to stay involved. I mean, I would hope and still expect that the most likely outcome is that he's still running the place. But I don't see him going anywhere.
But so your price target is $430. Let me ask sort of a similar question to what Melissa asked. How can it get there if there is a cloud over the company in the form of an ongoing SEC prosecution, really, of the chairman?
Right. So I'm expecting the numbers to get to to profitability next year and good profitability in 2020. I don't see how by 2020 this isn't all in the rearview mirror.
Phil, what do you think about the demand for Tesla vehicles after this? If you are a Tesla purist, does this make Elon Musk cooler to you, or do you have some worries about what happens if you buy a car in the future and how the company could potentially service that car?
Courtney, I do not think that Tesla fans or those who own a Tesla or have ordered one and are waiting for it, I think they look at this and they say, nice, Elon, sticking it to the government. Don't put up with the government, Elon. His fans love this. In reality, however, the investors are the ones who are the biggest concern for Tesla because they have that Elon Musk premium built into the stock. If they really lose faith, let's say the stock really starts to tank, and as bad as today is, it's still trading in a relative range to where it's been the last 6 months. If it really starts to tank, then that's a concern for the company. But at this range where it's at right now at 270, I don't think this is enough to spook the Tesla management perhaps to the point where they go to Elon and say, you got to settle this. You got to get this taken care of.